Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Crepes in these waters.
Alex, so crypto. Alex, so it looks like what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Everybody in the chat throwing up some otters. What's with these juice boxes, man? They got paper straws now. Alan, man, you let me down, Alan. Alan, Steve, Alan. This isn't sponsored by Alan, but what's going on? Gang. What's going on? You guys are having a wonderful day. I see you, Andre. I see you, Billy. What's going on? We got drywall dust all over us. Don't be crazy. This would be very expensive if it was Coca-Cola, okay? If this was Coca-Cola, it would be very expensive. I wouldn't be wasting all this Coca-Cola, okay? Guys, I'm doing renovations. That's why I got so much dust in my hair. I can basically do the Ace Ventura. All right. What's going on, guys? Andy Lee in the chat saying smash that like, everyone. Keto RXD, what's going on? Blockchain Gaming says sup otter gang. Alex at BTC almost right on the money. Yeah, man. We bouncing from it right now. We gonna bounce with a vengeance. What's going on, Andre Scott? Crypto Billy in the chat. The BioMex Billy Goat Tails. The cut. What's going on? Aloha from the 808. Darren does things lurking and working. What's going on? Caffeinated Crypto. Luis Silo Floors. Let's go. We in the trade. Yorm Besser, what's going on? Look at all the otters in the chat, man. You guys are absolutely ferocious. Is that a beaver? You know, if I had pronouns, I would have an otter/beaver. Or Lord Otter / King Beaver. That would be my pronouns. I expect you to address me as King Lord Otter, please. Is that otter nonsense? Shout out to all you guys. Nice call, Alex. Lord Otter. Those are my pronouns, okay? Let's go. Sniper Nightmare in the chat. Skywalker, what's going on, man? We having a good day? Whew. King Beaver, Lord Otter. Look at this girl. She got some laser eyes, man. Look at these laser eyes, man. She's looking at her arm fat. She ain't looking at you guys. Get your heads out of the gutter. She's looking at the arm. Guys, behave yourselves, eh? Look at these laser eyes. Let's just color them in. I'm not. I need that color by number, man. I ain't an artist. Look at these laser eyes, man. Money, eyes on the money, on the. Oh man, Alex over here cheating with the drywall jack. Come on, man. Look at this, guys. We got the basements framed. Look at this, guys. We got the little drywall machine. Yeah. We killing it. Ceiling's done. Kitchen's in. Whew, this is all covered now. We've done that part. I mean, we having fun, man. We kicking ass, taking names, man. This is all done now up here. Oh man, that was so good. Whew. Guys, you guys got them laser eyes, man. We flying, man. We We holding, we screwing, we doing the work, man. We doing the work. We drinking lots of Allens. Hey guys, we're also yo, we multifaceted. Don't tell me I'm not multifaceted. Don't tell me I'm not multifaceted. Look at this. We got the trade too. Oh, we caught the trade too, guys. Don't get it twisted. We multifaceted. Okay? Don't get it twisted. Oh, she's an angry lady there. She's an angry lady, but we be killing it. We be crushing it. I mean, we saw the price coming down to our key level. Lamb banjo, but 12 Big Dow, what's going on? Alexander G. L Jones, can we get a juice box emoji? Yeah, we could work on that. You guys catch a whiff when you Americans fart, Canadians inhale, man. I'm sorry, but we gonna see some crazy sphere whiff, man. This is gonna be a stinky get a whiff of this, man. You guys are crushing it. What a pain in the ass, Alex. So, but go, bro, go. I remember those days. Yeah, man. I mean, we're doing it for the baby otter. We're doing it for the baby otter. We got to build a nice, we're nesting, man. We got to nest for the new child on its way, man. We're nesting. Look at the guys. Okay, don't say I don't give you the dang levels, because I gave you the dang levels even while I'm hanging and banging drywall. Look at this. It's there. Right there. I moved the buy down to the level. Right, next level. Whew. I haven't changed it. I gotta zoom in. Sorry if I'm wrong. Wait, let's zoom in. I know I need to be accurate. Need to be accurate. Accuracy is everything, guys, especially with these entries. 686113. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. How could I do you so dirty? Hey, there's always opportunity. We can see we're breaking down this downwards trend line as resistance, guys. Mark Dutch is a plumber by trade, unclogging my clogs. You know what the number one rule of a plumber is? Guys, don't bite your nails. That's the number one. That's disgusting. Don't bite your nails. That's the number. That's not good enough, guys. I let you all down. How did you get this level, Alex? Oh, okay. How did you get this level? Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's take a look. Okay, guys. So very, very simple. We want to capture this area, right? We want to capture this area and identify key levels like we always do, right? So here we go. We have this beautiful level. I don't care about this level where I'm sitting or where I used to sit, okay? I care about this level here, within here, okay? So I'm going to pull my fixed range volume profile ahead of all this information here. I'm going to get the shelves, guys. I'm gonna get the shelves, guys. And look at this. We got a little protruder here, right? Ooh, look at that little protruder, front running a little bit. Look at that. There's a shelf, right? There's that shelf of volume. Very, very simple. You match it with candles, right? So look. Yes, there's one down here. Yes, there is one right here. But you match it with the candles, okay? The candle closes, okay? You match it. And the start of the move, you come over here. Look at that, okay? So just how I got the level. Also, we had the level above, okay? That was the golden pocket that we came down to this morning as well. So you match it with the levels. You get those key levels. I show you how I do it, guys, all the time. Now we pull the swing low to swing high. You can hold control to make it more accurate. And you can see our initial bounce level that we gave this morning on our morning live streams. And you guys seem to be enjoying the morning update videos. It's pretty quick and simple, but it keeps you guys in the know, right? And we got that big sell-off. We got that big bearish divergence that we'll go over. And we gave you this initial level. So you could have caught that bounce initially, and then we continued to go down. But we gave you that initial level right around here. And then we gave you this level right around here. So looking strong, like a little bit of a pushback coming right on here. People probably FOMOing in. You got this downwards trend momentum here. Let's see if it breaks, close outside, and continuation upwards. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for right now. Or a double bottom bullish divergence on the oscillator. Okay, and you can see right now you got the pushback. Okay, you can look for a lower low. They're not going to make it easy for us. Like we said, they're not going to make it easy for us. And we also identify that there's a lot of wicks right now. They know to crack, says Crypto Pollo. I mean, that's pretty good. Whiff on the Vegas sphere is too fire, says Blockchain Gaming. I agree, man. Got BTC long and just double capital on it. Let's go, Sniper's Nightmare. I got tons of dry powder on my shoulder, Mark Dutch. Oh, it's all getting in my CPU. Oh my God, Dave Digital's in the chat. What's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. What's going on? What are you guys saying though? I want to know in the poll here. What did you guys select? Okay, what are you saying? Buying the dip, waiting for more pain. We about to bounce. Or 10K. 10K. Hey, we gotta talk to Mr. Soloway there and ask 112K. I'm kidding. You can't make fun of a guy like Gareth Soloway who's made a career out of day trading, man. The guy's a goat. Let's not get it twisted. Maybe he's not as good with his Bitcoin analysis, but still a goat, man. You don't make fun of people who are trying to help you, okay? Got to be kind to those people. I would love to talk to Gareth and pick his brain, man. The man's been doing it for years. What's going on, Justin Eubank? iBank, be your own bank. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Lunar Beaches Crypto in the house, guys. I don't know if any of you guys are new, but we have a thing here where we love good people. We love good people. And we support our friends, and if you guys are new and you hang out with me and you want some goods, okay? Go over. Let's get Lunar Beaches Crypto up to like 300 subscribers, okay? Guys, Lunar Beaches Crypto, he's my man. He's my man. I love this man. He's been with me through thick and thin. Okay? So if you are new to my channel and you don't know about Lunar Beaches Crypto, go and give this guy a sub. This guy is this guy's family, he's kind, he's a good man, and guys, why wouldn't we help someone who's here, and he participates, he's in our Discord, he has his own part here, Lunar Beaches Crypto tab here, he shares all his stuff here as well. Him and I have been good friends for almost 2 years now, I think. 2 years. So go over, check out his channel. He's got some great ideas. And give him a subscribe, man. I love this guy. So let's get into our stuff here. Enough of the shilling. I don't need to show you guys. All I need to do is give you guys these key levels. I'm sorry I was off by like $40. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's go into the TA, guys. Let's go into the TA, and that's what it's all about here, guys. Like and smash that like button. Throw your alts in the chat, guys. If one of the mods doesn't mind tallying up the altcoins, and we'll get into those as soon as I've gone through Bitcoin. So throw those down in the chat, guys. I would love to look at that for you, my friends. Got to make sure that we stay on it, guys. So Market Cipher, as you guys know, CryptoFace came out with I got told by Granite Grappler on the live stream, 50% off code for Market Cipher. I don't make any money off of this at all. At all. This was just on his live stream, guys. So if you want 50% off Market Cipher, which I highly suggest, I've been using Market Cipher my whole time trading. This is God mode shit. So get it. Cheapest it's going to be for a long time, in my opinion. Okay, shared that with you guys yesterday. Now let's go into this. We got the 4-hour bearish divergence. We identified this morning. This typically plays out to the downside. What is this? This is a trigger wave down below as we oscillate above the zero line. When we're oscillating above the zero line, we look for these trigger waves down below to pop back off. These can be very bullish moves. We were expecting a liquidation grab, okay? Look at these liquidation grabs throughout the charts, okay? So this is very obvious if you've been watching the charts as long as we have here. So we can see that multiple times they're not letting you get into a long without some pain. But over here at Alexo Crypto, we managed to buy those dips, okay? We managed to buy those dips. And if we do continue back down, I would expect us simply to come back within the range here. There is a good volume profile within here. You can see we got a big shelf below us right around 67,000. That's going to be a very strong support for us going forward. And clearly, we want to hold all-time highs, right? That's 70,000, 69,100, whatever the hell the all-time high is. It's been broken. The all-time high is actually 73,980 or something like that on Bybit, okay? Something like that. So, Alex, so, okay, well, let's show BTG just one time. Oh, man. The only thing I'm shilling is the gang, man. Like, when I say, hey, guys, do you guys want to go over and support this channel? Or, hey, guys, do you want to come over to this channel and throw otters in the chat? Like, you guys are the best for that, man. And, like, hats, like, hi, like, amazing. Amazing. Otter gang, man. Otter gang. So, BTC cooling down from this. Let's go over and take some top-down analysis. We gave this beautiful setup earlier. Looking to bottom there. So the weekly, a little bit of a blow off top here. Cautionary, right? Cautionary. You can see we are getting a bit overextended on the weekly. However, when we go over to the 4-day, we can see that we are getting a red dot, and then the 3-day, which does print tomorrow night, will give us a better idea if we get a confirmed red dot. Okay, so this is, I mean, guys, if we look at these candles, look at this. This is ridiculous. It looks like the Empire State Building, okay? This is astronomical. A retrace would be healthy. However, everybody, we know we bullish as fuck, right? So we continue to remain bullish and buy the dips as we have just now. So massive move back up, and we gave the long, and look at that. We bounced, baby. We bounced, okay? Looking good. Back up to 70,400, right? Not without some pain. And we did definitely have some pain today on the I can't find my words. On the economic calendar, which I warned you guys about this morning, that we were looking for this to come in, break even the forecast here. This to me was slightly bearish. So when we go over here and we look at the Dixie has pumped. I told you guys, watch the dollar. The dollar will give you the indication of the move today, right? And the dollar has moved up, right? So that means Bitcoin goes down, right? So very easy to tell by just watching the dollar and watch what happens with that after we get the news. We get the 3-move thing. We get the fake out or the first move. We get the fake out, and then we get the actual move, okay? And if we go, let's go down into like the nitty gritty here. Maybe we can find it today of some volatility. There it is. Okay, I can see it. Can you guys see it? It's got to be right here. 8:30. Yeah, there it is. So 3 moves, right? Look at it. I haven't even looked this up. 1 move, the fake out, then the actual move. Okay? It's right there. 1 move, the fake out, then the actual move. Right? So you always tend to get this. This isn't like 100% of the time, but you always get this kind of idea where you get 1, 2, and then 3, right? The 3rd move is typically the real move. Okay? This is like, yeah, go. Okay? But you get that on days like this, okay? And that's a very easy way to So you're not looking to trade until about 9 o'clock, okay? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is when this BS is done, right? So that takes about half an hour leading into it, right? Then the news comes out, then we dump, then we move up and onwards, okay? So that's where you get your indication that we're going to continue up on the Dixie, which suggests downwards action for Bitcoin. Okay, suggest doesn't mean it's 100%, but it does suggest. Okay, now we're waiting for we were waiting for. Sorry, I got drywall in my eyes. We were waiting for a daily confirmation of the VWAP coming to the upside, and that never happened. Okay, you can see right here, we were waiting for that crossover. That never really happened. Now we've gotten rejected. However, a rejection on the daily, posturing to the downside, gives us the opportunity to possibly look for another long entry. Now we did give the good dip buy here. However, there can be some different opportunities as they present themselves as we get some more price action. Well, I will clearly keep you guys updated on, okay? Discord's free, guys. Free trade setups. I mean, what do you want? What do you want from me? If there's if one of the mods can tally up all the altcoins and post them, that would be great. I would really appreciate that. So going over to the 12-hour, we got red dot cooling off here, coming to the dark side, to the downside, really just pushing down and wanting to come back up. So definitely a little bit of a cool off, which is great. Okay, which is great, guys. Come on, with price action moving the way it has, we want to see retracements on this absolute shred to the upside. Okay, so that's definitely a very good area. We were looking to buy down here, right? So we got the buy zone, we got into the trade, and let's let the rest of it ride so we can continue to make profits from this market. Okay, going down to the 4-hour, Jorn Besser with the 1 gifted membership. Thank you so much, my man. TRD Farmer, welcome to the Otter Gang. Much love to you. Farmer's getting the memberships, man. I think he's rigging the algorithm. I think I gave Farmer a membership somewhere else, too. What was it? I gifted a membership, 5 of them, or 1 of them, and Farmer got 1. Oh, man. Beautiful dip. Beautiful dip. Opportunities, right? Opportunities. Change your mindset. You know, this is a little bit of a Boxing Day sale before, you know, the inevitable happens. Price discovery, baby. So, beautiful, beautiful dip. Guys, any of your altcoins, this is a possible time to buy. Is it a time to buy? I could buy on the live. I don't care. Maybe we do that at the end of the stream. 3-hour, beautiful hammer candle coming down. Beautiful dip down, posturing to the upside on the VWAP. Looking positive here. Okay, looking positive here. 2-hour coming up, attacking that 0 line. We want to see the money come back into the market. That's going to be indicative of us continuing upwards. 1 hour. Okay, so we draw this trend line now. Now that we're at the 1 hour, we can see we're getting a green dot. Woo, double green dot. Continuation to the upside, okay? VWAP crossover coming as we speak, okay? Money got to the red here, guys. Like, quite literally just dipped into the red here on the 1 hour, now popping back up. And it does this at times, right? But these back to the green, back to reality pops are pretty aggressive and pretty strong, okay? Now, what do we want to see, right? What do we want to see? For me, I'm tracking momentum, right? I have the alarm set here. I will remove the alarm. Mr. Jones, we're going to remove you. You can see we got a trend line here. Okay. Coming up, rejected off the trend line. So what do I want to see? We know we have a shelf of volume here and a big shelf down below us around 67,000. We've identified that this is a very strong level of support considering where we are, right? And we have some stops in between. We're coming back up to that golden pocket where we are initially looking for a long this morning. We punched through. We've grabbed some liquidity. Now we continue to rock our way up. So we really want to see this either get above, continue to make higher lows and higher highs, right? Or we look for the swing failure pattern within our box yet again, and we look for a beautiful bullish divergence, right? Where we get a swing low and a higher high here. That would be ideal, okay? That would be ideal. However, guys, it is Thursday, so we are preparing for weekend volatility, which is crab sideways, right? Crab sideways. One thing I did want to go over with you guys is what happens on Fridays, okay? So I think our last Friday was actually pretty interesting. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Let me double check. Go back to Friday. Oh, man. Friday was boring. No, it wasn't. Guys, look at Friday. I remember Friday being volatile. Look at this. Guys, this is like setting us up for like a crazy Friday, okay? Gonna wreck the longs, wreck the shorts, okay? Both ways. So Fridays have been pretty crazy. We want to watch those Fridays, okay? So prepare for tomorrow, prepare for some volatility. And then looking over here, yeah, so we got Friday there, then Friday here. Okay, so last Friday was pretty crazy, but this Friday we'll have to wait and see. However, I do expect us to range and then chop into the weekend as we continue to make beautiful. The more sideways consolidation, guys, the more we're going up. We can grab the ranges. We can set ourselves up for success. We could even look for a short coming up now that we've gotten a low. So the short opportunity for this, let's pull swing low to swing high. It would be a 382, yeah. So it would be where we are right now. You got good volume here. So let's just draw a box here, and let's pretend that this is going to be where we're going to short. Okay, this is just a general idea, but we always want to make sure that we're playing both. We can play both sides of the, double-edged sword here, where we can look for the swing low, or we can look for the crash and burn, right? So want to set ourselves up with key levels of support and resistance where we are looking to grab that. And that actually lines up with this volume right over here that we could pull. Oops, bad pull. Make sure you get a good pull, especially on the weekends. Oh, that was rude. And you got that point of control just from all this consolidation of volume. So you could actually mark this out. I'm going to bring this one up here. And you could just make this an NPOC here. And that can be where you're looking for a sell area, right? Sell area. So all a naked point of control is an area of enough volume that has yet to see a retracement back into an area, okay? So we look to come back, retest it, and then continue downwards, which also marks out perfectly with our 618 Fibonacci level, right? So this is how we can actually sandwich the price. So now we're looking for buys here, and then we're looking for sells here, and we've sandwiched price within here. So we don't want to trade the meat. We want to eat our food here, right? So we want to trade the buns of the burger. You got the buns of the burger. You got a nice, beautiful Angus beef, Canadian beef patty here. You want to just make profits within here. On the outsides, you want to really sell the bun. You want to really buy the bun, and then you want to make money. I don't know. I'm just trying to give you a burger analogy, but now we've trapped price. Now we know where we're looking for beautiful trades. Okay, I'm looking at the chat. I haven't seen anybody with their beautiful. Oh, there we go. Billy's done it for me. Thank you so much, Billy. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Guys, if you're not, I don't know, man. You know Billy's family, right? You guys know that. I hope you know that. I mean, I want to see a bunch of crypto Billies in the chat. And because we know about Billy Goat Tails. We love Billy Goat Tails. And we want to make sure that we support our friends over at Billy Goat Tails. That means the BINGX and all of them. Crypto Pollo, the BINGX, all you guys over there, we love you guys so much. So thank you guys for always having a giver's game mentality and supporting the crew, man. We love you, bro. Thank you. So now we've isolated price. We have two levels of key support and resistance that we are actually looking to trade if price comes down. And I'm sorry, guys, I was off by like $50 for your perfect trade setup in advance. Okay, and I'll share this in the Discord. And as you know, guys, we always share in the trade setups as we go. We've been quite busy, but we still managed to do our morning update videos and our live streams to keep you guys informed and keep you guys prepared for anything that comes its way. And I mean, look at this, guys. What a beautiful balance. What a beautiful setup. Giver's game, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Pumping off the moon. Whew. Another 3% gain on the upside. So now we're going to go over to DOT. We're looking at DOT. DOT's on a lot of people's radar. Look at DOT, man. DOT's fake breakout, man. Fake breakout. Now, DOT, we're looking to go all the way up to 1260. Okay, so there isn't a lot of room above us here. There's not a lot stopping us from moving quickly through this zone. We are still in bearish consolidation zone, and we are knocking on the door to higher prices, right? That's exactly where we're at. So looking at DOT, from a larger perspective, you can zoom out here. We got the Terra Luna collapse here, right? And then we don't have a lot of volume within this area here. So we go to where we're trading at right now, and we can see that we have this huge parabolic rise on DOT that's actually trying to catch up to where we are trading now. And we're looking for that to continue to the upside. Crypto Pollo with 5 gifted memberships. My guy, he must have got into that Dashib trade yesterday. Much love to you, my friend. Keto, welcome to the Otter Gang, man. Blockchain Bonehead, Otter Gang. Sprouts XI, welcome. Mark Dutch, man, he's got another membership. And Crypto Wanderer, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Pollo himself, man. Supporting the gang. Much love. Giver's game, man. That's what it's all about. You've been crushing the trades lately. You've been crushing them, man. You've been crushing them, and I'm so proud to have you as a member. I was cheering you on when you're on Flipper Hodl, man. I love seeing you guys win. I love seeing the chicken in the chat, man. We're gonna have to do some TA on that Cockinu today, man, to make sure that we promote it as much as possible, man. Billy Goat's Tails, man. Follow these guys on Twitter, support them, and join us on Tuesday nights, man. I always share it to the Discord. It was really good talk on Tuesday with Sistine Research. That was really good, but constant gems, man, and good people, man. That's what it's all about. So going over to DOT, we're looking for the continuation to the upside. Cluck, motherfuckers. I forgot to say it. I love saying that. Look at this. Dip down, grab liquidity, right? Push back up, right? And then it was a lot of this 4-hour bear divs that was really spooking the markets. We didn't get it on DOT as much, but you can see here we're getting the higher high continuation, but you do get money flow coming out. So this has been the indication where money flow is coming out. Now you can see that you've bounced and you continue to work your way up here. We had that line in the sand around 1050. It clearly has bounced. So right now, same as Bitcoin, but a little bit more of a move required to get above here. So you can see you definitely have some momentum to the upside. Trying to break above here is going to be key. So you're probably going to tap some resistance in the next, 5 minutes to an hour, get a little rejection. So how would you trade this, right? So you got key support up here, so you'll pull this across, right? And this is going to be your key support level. And then you're also going to be looking for a fib retracement back down to where we're at. So depending on how high we get, we can assume it's somewhere around here. Look at that, the golden pocket lining up perfectly here. So around $11, let's call it. $11 to 1080, right? So that's kind of where we're looking for DOT to come back to, retrace, and look for a possible bounce, right? Beautiful move back up for DOT. Okay, a lot of these things have dipped down and now they've popped right back up, just like Bitcoin has just recently. Bitcoin's at 70,800 already, guys. It doesn't take long for this thing to start pushing. Now we've broken out on Bitcoin, 15-minute close above. Okay, is it going to give it to us? Probably not, knowing Bitcoin. But we are looking for the retest back down and continuation, just like we would be on DOT right now. So with DOT, it's a very similar story. Massive push back up. Okay, we're looking for the retest and then the breakout of this downwards trend line, okay? And that's going to be how I would look at DOT. And then with DOT, it's very much knowing that, yes, we do have the highs now here, but there's not a lot in our way from DOT to go from 11 all the way to 12, all the way to 14, because there's not a heck of a lot in our way. FET pumped back hard. Yeah. So all these are seeming FOMO. Say what, Alexa? Andy Lee like say motherfucker. I mean, she said it so nicely. Mofo. Oh man, too good. Let's go over and take a look at Pice. David Brumbelow coin. Much love to David Brumbelow, man. You guys are doing good, man. You guys are all speaking beautiful Dutch in my chat. How did you guys speak the clogs language? Okay, I'm going to try and read this. Here we go. Tony Soprano says, Jörn Besser, I'm Booch de Friesen, State Geissen Ben, der Ostfriesen, Trinket, Wenig, Dafür aber oft undet Biel. Mien Hund jagt immer Lund aftern Verrad. Jets haben wir das Verrad. Oh, that's not fair. Wagenomen. Can I get an applause, man? Can I? And Jordan Bester says, Hochzeit Reis haben wir in die Schweiz Gernach. I tried my best, guys. You just said so many bad words. Is that's Dutch or German? What is that? You guys kill me, man. You gotta have fun. Man. That's what it's all about. Pites on an absolute rip, okay? We identified a very clear uptrend. And it's just this like megaphone pattern, right? This big megaphone you can see here continuing to push its way up. Okay, so this is looking really good. Breaking all-time highs, price discovery. Let's pull swing high to swing low. Look at that, guys. Look at that perfect fib extension here to the 272. Okay, so that's good confluence. Now we have some extension levels above us that we can look for possible reactions on price. Okay, so with Pice, you can see that you definitely came up to this 95-cent area. And then let's mark out the next two just to have a key eye on the prize as per usual. And then we can look into these shorter term time frames for a retrace. Okay, so a retracement coming back to where we're at now. Pull some volume, baby. Let's pull some volume. The daily money flow is looking like it's peaking a little bit. You can see the VWAPs coming out. Okay, so this does look like it wants to roll over a little bit, and you're clearly making higher highs with a higher low here. It's kind of hidden, so you can see from here to here, and obviously from here on up, right? So you can got a little bit of a hidden bearish divergence here. However, we know that this is up and to the right kind of trend. So we're looking to accumulate or buy or trade when we get the dip. So we're looking for a nice fib retracement, possibly into this massive level of volume here. So that's going to be there where we can identify that, okay, there is a little one here prior to. Let's bring it up just to trade the shelve, okay? Now we go from the start of the move. We're not going all the way from down here. We're going from the start of the move. Where's the start of the move, guys? You identify, look, boom up, comes down. okay here. So that would be the start of the move. So you go from start of the move, you can hold control like I always say, and then you go to the top right there. Now you got a key level that you're looking to trade if it does come back down, right? So you have this area here. You also have this beautiful golden pocket here that you can be looking to trade, okay? And just make sure that you're using good confluence, good along the way with trades like this, right? So you want to be using good risk management and all that stuff because this tends to move on you. And if you do want some good advice on how to trade Pyth, I would definitely talk to David Brumbelow, who's always trading Pyth, man. This looks pretty awesome and parabolic. You got another support level here. But if you were to lose this and you look to roll over around this 77 to 73 area. Now that's probably a lot. Yeah, it's 6%. So you're looking to come back, retest these highs, which you have, and continue to bounce. For me, right now, okay, we've held here. Yeah, if you roll over, you're coming back into this big zone. You could pull a fib from one of these lows here, but I wouldn't push come. No. Let's pull volume within this area. Just trying to narrow it down so we have something more accurate within this range, okay? So we do have volume here. Volume really starts to pick up here. You have a shelf here. That's going to be your key resistance getting higher, and then you have support. Yeah, I wouldn't get into the weeds there, guys. For me, this is more of a swing trade kind of token where the moves are pretty dramatic. Like even this range here, you got 10%, right? So with anything like this, you're looking to see a trend reversal here. So going into the 15-minute, right, you can see you got very good support down at this level here. I would draw the downwards trend line here. I'm looking for the break of this trend line, and then I'm looking for the confirmation, right? So confirmation on a 15-minute time frame with a beautiful upward, with a higher low continuing to work its way up. You could even look for a break of structure to give you more of an idea, right? Where your high comes up, it takes out the previous high here, and then you look for your retrace there, okay? So be very cautious on something like this and make sure to use good risk management. What's going on? What's going on? Wick 589, man. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. What's going on? Can you blow this one up? Says Crypto Billy. Going over to Crypto Billy. What are we going over? Crypto Billy 111. Giver's gain. Anytime I see your stuff, I repost it. Blow this up, man. We love our Billy Goat Tails, man. Redman in the house. What's going on? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh no, I think Twitter's making noises. Is this gonna copyright me? I think it'll copyright me, so we gotta get rid of it. Sorry. Oh man. So, going over to the next one. Let's go over to Link. Thank you guys so much for being here with me tonight. You can see beautiful V-shaped recovery happening on a lot of these tokens. Link continuing to make higher highs and higher lows on its way up, looking good. We had our buy level. It got hit, so this is looking like it wants to continue. A nice liquidity sweep today, right? A nice liquidity sweep where we can see that Bitcoin's all the way back up at 71,000, guys. It's no joke how fast this price bounces back, okay? It bounces back so quick. So we're definitely aware of how fast these moves are, and the opportunity to buy these dips do present themselves, but when it does, it's very rare. And you can see a beautiful, simple trend line would have helped you out here with Link. And Link is looking to get above this previous high, right? So we got this $22.77 that Link is literally trying to break right now. And until then, we look to trade it as a range. Link loves to make shelves, as we know. So if we go to the 12-hour here, We look at the bear market, a complete shelf, okay? Link was the easiest thing to trade in the bear market because of the shelf. Like you draw one trend line here off of the highs. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at how easy this was. This was all the way from May 22 to October 23rd, guys. Look at this. This Link is just makes it too easy for people, right? So Link is a good one to trade if you love a range. Look, then you pump up, you make a range, right? Beautiful range. What's Link doing right now? It's kind of making a channel more than a range. When you look at it, I can see, what can I see? I see, yeah, something like that. A channel. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's. And Bitcoin's doing this as well, okay? Don't get it twisted. There's a lot of things here. We have some key levels of support and resistance above us, but right now, beautiful channel, okay? So patience is the way to trading all these things. On the 4-hour, we are seeing a divergence across the board on a lot of tokens. Let's see if it's here. So higher high, lower low. Yep, there's that 4-hour bearish divergence pushing us down, and then the continuation upwards. So now, what do we got? We're going to mark at the highs, right? And if we fail to get above this, we are looking to come back down, right? Very, very simple. Keep it simple, stupid, as they say. The kiss of death, okay? So you can see here, look for this trend line to hold up as well on our way up. You can go right off these beautiful trend line here and look for that to hold on your way up here. But Link is looking strong. It's a back above this key level of resistance here. Let's pull the volume across for Link just to have another look. Yeah, so you can see the big shelf of volume there, getting above there. Now it's approaching another shelf of volume, which we could mark out if we want to get into it. That's going to act as key resistance, and that's right around 21.14. Okay, so make sure you're marking out these levels along the way, knowing where you're getting resistance, and you need a little bit more volume in order to get above here and continue your work upwards. Otherwise, you look to revisit this shelf of volume support here, come back down and continue your march upwards. But you got nice anchor trigger waves in threes, pushing your Link price upwards right now and looking like it wants to continue its work up. Look at Bitcoin getting this beautiful V-shaped recovery after we had that beautiful buy set up here, breaking the support here, waiting for a retest and continuation, but beautiful hold of support here, given the levels in advance, as we always do here on Alexo Crypto. So guys, smash those like buttons, subscribe if you're new, man. I'm so grateful. We got 130 people watching the chat. This is probably a record. I don't even know, but I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys joining this place. We do TA Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do an update video in the morning because I got to trade, you got to trade. We all got to trade, so we all got to make that money. And we always try to keep you guys updated as much as possible with the free Discord and all that good stuff. Shill. Boom, boom. Let's go over to Penguin or Peng. You guys asked for Peng, you're gonna get Peng, and this is just this is a meme coin, I believe. I saw Crypto Cowboy looking at this the other day. Oh man, this is just, this is your meme coin play, right? You got a symmetrical triangle working its way up here. Very simple. Look for the breakout, look for the trade, right? Keep it simple, stupid, man. That's how it is, right? So for this, you got that big choppiness, right? Something about this is you probably don't want to participate in trading something that moves the way this has, okay? You want to be buying spot, probably. Not financial advice, but I would buy spot on something like this. And just to mention that the COQ is now on the beautiful exchange called BINGX. So if you want to buy some cock in you might want to consider that. But yeah, looking at this Peng, just looking for the breakout continuation to the upwards. I mean, the trend is your friend until the end, right? And you got this beautiful march on upwards, right? So why would you fight it, right? And any kind of move here. This is a 70% move, okay? So just within the past couple of days, this has been very volatile. So you want to be using good risk management, protecting yourself to the downside, okay? Hit that like button, Otter Gang. What's going on, Andy Lee? Thank you so much for being here. We got Alexandra G. Wick in the chat. Tony Soprano, Crypto Gamer, Mark Dutch, Crypto Pollo, Sweet Baby Sweat Baby Sweat. That's the one. Crypto Pollo. What's going on? Your ambassador. These guys are family, man. You guys are family. Welcome, Virus Ryle. Welcome, welcome, welcome. FOMO Sapien. Sapien. That's got to be the best one I've heard in a while. FOMO Sapien. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Okay, let's go over to AGIX, the beautiful, beautiful. Man, AI's been doing so well that I got an AI category. Ooh, it's back off, man. It's back off. What's FET doing? I mean, we were buying render at $4, man. This is looking good. This is looking good. So, AGIX, man. Just press buy. Just press buy. Don't try to argue with it, okay? Stop whining. Stop whining. Tomorrow's Friday, guys. Are you guys excited for a crazy party of a Friday stream we do every Friday? We get a little wild on Fridays, but that's how we like to keep it, man. We like to keep it pretty chill. Trading is a stressful thing. You know, managing the psychology and the emotions and the FOMO and the greed and all that stuff while trying not to lose money and burn your account to the ground. It isn't easy. So we like to have fun here on Fridays, as we always do, where we a special guest who always comes in and shares his thoughts with us. If you haven't heard of him, his name is Arnold. He just says do it. He says do it a lot. He says just do it. Stop whining. Stop whining. And you know how Arnold does cardio? Mr. Schwarzenegger? He lifts weights faster. I'm working on my dad jokes, guys. I'm working on my dad jokes, okay? So you can see here, you got the beautiful downtrend on AGIX. Massive move, breaking the downwards trend line, okay? We don't trade the initial move. We trade the retest, guys. Look at this. The fake out. The initial move, the retest, the bang. So this is where you got your beautiful retest continuation. Massive move to the upside, okay? Very, very simple to see if you're looking for it, right? And you got this beautiful momentum. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You got a lower low, a higher high, beautiful bullish divergence right here saying, hey, guys, we're going to go for a ride. Okay, hold on. And look at that. It's going for a ride. Alexandra G just gifted 5 crypto. Alexo crypto memberships. You get one. You get one. You get one. Let's see those Alexandra G emojis in the chat. I want to see those Alexandra G emojis. Philip Fournier, Hotto Crypto, FOMO Sapien, Brokenoshi, Dave P. You guys all just got a beautiful, beautiful membership. Now you guys can spam beautiful, beautiful memberships to other people as well, because that's how we roll here, right? Shout out to Alexandra G. Let's see those G's in the chat. Let's see those G's in the chat. G's in the chat. G's in the chat. G's in the chat. Alexandra G. Alexandra G. Let's go. We love you, Alexander G. Thank you so much for being here and being a modder otter. It's always an honor and a privilege to have such a lovely lady in our beautiful chat. Thank you, Alexander G. G. All right. We got a special announcement tomorrow on our Friday stream. We may or may not be knighting someone. I didn't say anything. You heard it here. Okay. So AGIX, beautiful breakout, continuation to the upside. Guys, I got one more token for you guys. I got one more token for you guys. Let me know in the chat what you guys want. Check the dang Discord already. Uh-oh. Don't yell at me. It's a watermelon juice, Chuck. Is my mic not working? You should check your mic. Does it not pick up my beatbox? Boom, 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 boom. Check. Check. What's up? I'm new to your group. Welcome, man. Welcome. We love you. Yeah, the only it doesn't pick up the beatbox. Okay. Maybe it's on my NVIDIA broadcast sometimes filters it. I'll turn that off. Look at this guy. Mark Dutchy, man. You guys are killing it. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Check out all the channels. We give free TA, free setups all the time. Mr. Kyle, Brewberry, Lunar Beaches Crypto. All good stuff. Looking at Ren here. Last but not least, guys, Ren is pumping. Ren is pumping. Ren is pumping. Coming up to key levels of resistance. Let's pull out our beautiful volume tool. Let's isolate price and see what we're looking at here on Ren. So isolating price, we want to pull volume across. Okay, we want to isolate key levels. Okay, we could see one here. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can match it up with support and resistance. Yeah, okay, I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to go to these highs here. And then we're stuck kind of here, okay? So this is just kind of isolating price. We have some price action. We have a big shelf of volume down below here. And now we go over to where we're trading, guys. Okay. Daily, money coming in, no red dot, looking bullish, reset of the VWAP. You want to see the bounce off of here and continuation to the upside. Looking at the 12-hour, you're getting a red dot. Crossing the zero line, this typically sets you up for a good opportunity to get into a long. When you cross over here and you look for this area here, we draw a vertical line. We look back. Oh, look at that. From this candle here all the way up, look at that. That's a 37% gain, okay? That is how you do it on the long-term time frames. You want to wait for the VWAP crossover. As long as you're oscillating with green money flow on the upside here, this is bullish. This is a bullish trend, okay? Green money flow, money coming in, not coming out, but coming in. Anytime you dip below these levels here, you see the VWAP crossover, okay? This is how you front run these beautiful moves, right? And you can see them time in and time again, right? Look at this one. Boom, right? Look at this one. Boom, okay? So that's how you time them. And then you also want to time the green dots along the way as well. So with this, we're on a 12-hour time frame. How do you front run a green dot? Okay, so right now we got a red dot coming, right? We're getting a pushback. So this is looking like a big hammer candle, okay? Going over here, 4-hour. Let's front run this 4-hour crossover, right? So we got the big sell-off coming down here. The 4-hour flattened out, giving us an idea that we were going to bounce, okay? Going to the 2-hour, you can see coming down, but what happened? The VWAP changed directions right here. So this is giving us at this candle here, this is telling us the next candle print is telling us it's flattened out. We're looking for a bounce, okay? Then we go to let's go to the 1-hour. What do we see from this candle? Oh, that's nice, okay? So right from this candle here, we are expecting a bounce on this token, right? And we get that beautiful continuation, anchor trigger wave, and pop to the upside, coming back down. Lower low, higher high, bullish divergence to the upside. Easy lemon squeezy, okay? We use market cipher here. We managed to grab these beautiful lower lows, higher highs, continuation, bullish divergence. I mean, that's as easy as it gets, man. That's as easy as it gets. And if you're looking for that entry, you look for a peak. You look for either the double bottom, which is this, right? You go on a shorter term time frame, like the 15-minute, and you try to align yourself, knowing that you're getting the signals earlier on. Look, this vertical line is when we start getting the idea of a bounce. We're in an uptrend. We're looking for longs, right? So It rolls over. It gives you the bullish divergence right here. That's the green dot. What comes before the green dot? Okay. What comes before the V? You see the peaking of the yellow returning in here. You also see the flattening out of the VWAP right here. So you're on this candle already. You narrow it down, right? You narrow it down. You can go, if you want to be like me, I like to enter on the 5-minute, right? So you can see here, we're already down here. Money's coming back in. You can see that. Okay, very easy kind of idea here, how you break down with time frames and stuff like that. So guys, join us. Thank you guys for being here. We appreciate every single one of you. Bitcoin's getting that retrace, okay? Bitcoin's getting that retrace. Going back over the Bitcoin price, we gave you the beautiful setup earlier. 382 bounce is where I'd be looking right now. I'd be looking at the 382. We got key level of support, and I'd be targeting that naked point of control, okay? There you go. You want to protect your lows. I would suggest protecting your lows. Let's find that recent lower low here. Yeah, so I'd be protecting myself below that area there, which is the golden pocket. So right below these lows here, right? A little 2-to-1 ratio. That's good, but we know that where we're at right now, we want to position. We got in long down here, okay? We want to position ourselves for that parabolic move that we expect to come eventually, okay? We expect it, right? Until we're proven otherwise, we're bullish. The sentiment remains bullish. It's 5 o'clock. You guys know what time it is. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you. Welcome to all the new people. We continue to push and show up every day for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I will try my best to always keep you guys updated. We're always honest and transparent and always sharing everything that we do on our charts and with our investments. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you guys and have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto.